What's up guys, Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this Honda HRV that we just wrapped up today. This car came in for two different things, which I'll show you right now. First of which was a remote start. So to activate that, you just go ahead and press the little button with the arrow turning. A few seconds later, the vehicle will start up. We have this one set to run for 24 minutes. To get in, you would simply press unlock and open the door. The last thing we did new WeatherTech floor mats on the front here. We did them in the rear and then also the cargo area. These things are absolutely amazing, especially with the weather we've been having this year. So they're great for snow, ice, they're great for mud, water. So if you guys have any kind of vehicle, there's really, in my opinion, no reason not to have these. They are absolutely amazing. Your floor will get trashed without them. We're a diamond dealer for WeatherTech, so if you guys need anything, whether it be just the front middle, or the whole vehicle, we can certainly handle it for you. So if you guys need something like this, please give me a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.